Whiteboard paint versus the world, a definitive comparison of modern writable surfaces. When it comes to writable surfaces, the options are everywhere. Chalkboards, whiteboards, stickers, but which one actually wins? Chalkboards? Classic, but messy. They create dust, take longer to erase, and slow down fast-paced thinking. Traditional whiteboards are cleaner, but limited. You're stuck with a fixed size, and constant erasing breaks your flow. And wall stickers? Easy at first, but they wear out fast, peel over time, and lose performance. Now imagine your entire wall becoming a writable canvas. That's whiteboard paint. It transforms any surface into a seamless, full-scale workspace. No frames, no limits. It's durable for years, easy to erase, and built for continuous collaboration. More space means more ideas, flowing freely without interruption. So when you compare all writable surfaces, one stands out. Whiteboard paint. Bigger space. Better thinking. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.